Here's a wee quick one for anyone that might happen to have one of these old Bosch circular saws. There's the old Bosch green one, DIY model. That's from 2006. It's the PKS66. This might save you dumping the machine in case this ever happens to you. Problem is the guard. It's a decent safety guard, all metal, but the spring's gone on it. Spring inside is snapped. So there's no taking the blade guard back again, so it makes the saw a little bit dangerous to use. Problem is, Bosch have actually discontinued this here particular spring, so this part is actually gone obsolete, no longer available. So the spring goes in your saw, you can't really fix it. You can't get the part from Bosch anymore. Hard to get the right one because the spring has to be the right size, thickness and actual strength to take a metal guard back. Not anything's going to suit. This will save you a lot of searching around or potentially dumping the saw if you can't get it. You don't have to get it from Bosch. You can just get a Makita one. So you can use the Makita spring on this here. Now it's not just any Makita spring. Most of the springs for the Makita saws are actually quite light. Some of them very long, but they're normally black. This one's a bit more easy to identify because it's actually a silver spring, but it's a thicker gauge and it's a heavier spring. This one's completely missing. It's meant to be hooked on down here to the guard and run all the way over here to this little eye down this side. So like that spring, it's quite dangerous to use these. So the part number, if you're ever looking for it, is this here, 231878-2. It's the same spring that's actually on the Makita 18 volt cordless saw, the brushless one, the DHS680. That's the spring you want. It's a little bit heavier gauge and it's enough tension to actually pull this heavier metal guard back. If you're looking for one, I'll stick a little link in the description down below. They are actually available on Amazon. Only cost like $5. Hook in to a wee tiny hole on the side. And there. And back here. That's it. One wee Makita spring will keep your green Bosch DIY circular saw up and running. Saves you from cutting any fingers off because of a non-returning spring. Plus, it's just quick and easy to actually change. For a DIY saw, these ain't too bad, especially for a 2006 machine. Good enough machine and well worth keeping them up and running, especially for the price of a little spring. That's her. One green Bosch PKS66 up and running again with a Makita spring. Check it out if you need one. There'll be a link in the description down below. Cheers!